Welcome to Harmony, 30 Days of Tai Chi, designed to help you cultivate balance and harmony in the body and mind in just 15 minutes per day. I'm Dr. Adam Potts, the Tai Chi PT, and I've been teaching Tai Chi for over 10 years to thousands of students from all over the world. Over the next 30 days, you're going to experience Tai Chi in a very fun and accessible way, building strength, flexibility, and balance alongside thousands of other students. So here's how it works. Every day, I'll send you a new email with 2 videos, a 15-minute Tai Chi Flow to follow along with, and about a 3-minute flute meditation video to help deepen your experience. So if you're wanting to really make Tai Chi a daily habit, or you're simply just wanting to learn more about this beautiful movement art, then this program is ideal for you. The best part, no experience is needed. This program is for everyone. So invite a friend to join you on this journey. So if you're ready to see what just 15 minutes of Tai Chi per day can do for you, then join me for Harmony, 30 Days of Tai Chi for free. Just click the first link in the video description below, and I'll send you the clickable calendar and all the details. Thank you so much, and I'll see you there.